Hello, welcome to another session of simultaneous equations. Today we will be using simultaneous equation, and the method we're using is the elimination technique. Alright, so far we covered the substitution technique. The elimination method is just another way of solving for this. Sometimes it might be faster, sometimes it may not be faster. Either way, we need to know how to do this. Alright, first things first, the simultaneous equations here work with a pair of linear equations. Notice the highest power here of x is 1, the highest power of y is 1, highest power of x here, and this one is 1, here is 1. So it's a pair of linear equations to begin with. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is to label these two equations. So this is equation 1. Here, the second equation, we call it equation 2. Alright, we label this, so that way we have a reference. Alright, now elimination means that we're going to eliminate one variable. In this case, alright, let's see what I have in this case. Alright, in this case, it happens that I have plus y and negative y. So I have alternating signs. Coefficient here is 1, coefficient here is minus 1. So I was to add equation 1 with equation 2. Alright? Let's see what happens. Alright, so we're going to add. Alright, so just making this clear here. What am I going to do? So I take equation 1 and I add to equation 2. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. Remember, we said that they have plus y and minus y. If you add this, you get 0y. So you get rid of the y term. Alright, now we said that elimination is just a process of getting rid of one variable. In this case, we're getting rid of the y term. Alright, 9 plus 11 is 20. Alright. Divide by 5 on both sides. So I get that x is equal to 20 divided by 5. Alright. This will give me x is equal to 4. Alright. But here's what we want to solve. We want to get a numerical value for x and y. There's half the story. Alright, so we want to get a value here for y. Alright, so we get a value here for y. I take x to the 4 and substitute into either equation 1 or equation 2. Alright, I will go to equation 1 because you have less negative terms in this. Alright, so it might be easier to go to equation 1. You have a choice in this matter. You could either use equation 1 or equation 2. Question is which one is faster and which one you are most comfortable with. Alright, there's no set way in doing this. Alright, so if I take x to the 4, I substitute in equation 1, then I get back the value of y. So wherever I see x, I'm going to replace with the value of 4. This is what I mean by saying to substitute. Alright, so substitute x equals 4 and 1. Let's see what you get. That'll be 3 times 4 plus y equals to 9. Alright? So 3 times 4 is really 12. Alright? So that'll be 12 plus y equals 9. Alright? So this is y is equal to 9 minus 12, which gives you y is equal to negative 3. Alright? So, just to summarize, x equals to 4 and y is equal to minus 3. Alright? Now this x equal to 4, y is equal to negative 3 satisfies either equation 1 or equation 2. So these pairs of equation here, the values are satisfied is x. The values that satisfy this pair of equations are x equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 3. Alright? Alright, so this is what happens when you have the signs here alternating and you have the same coefficient. Alright? Alright, now what happens when you have the same sign? Alright? And same coefficient? What do I mean by this? Alright, so you notice here, you have plus y and negative y. What happens now if this was positive y here? Alright, what happens in this case? Then it would not be addition, then you have to subtract, because you want to get rid of the variable. Alright, so this will be illustrated in another example. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.